this delicious cake by making the ganache. Placing hot heavy cream to the chopped chocolate. Mixing it well, letting it chill until it's completely cool, and whipping it. Using a ring mold to assemble the cake, applying a layer of ganache on the inside of the mold. Then placing the chocolate sponge cake and applying some simple chocolate syrup. Layering with chocolate ganache and continuing the same process until we hit the top of the cake. Now let's tell you a trick. If you are not really good at cake writing, you should follow these steps. Firstly, we will need some caramelized white chocolate, which we are going to melt. Then creating a parchment paper cone, and we put the melted chocolate in there. So the trick is that we printed the font we like the most, and now we just follow it using the melted chocolate. As simple as that. For the other part of decorating, we will need some more chocolate bars chopped. We will attach them around the bottom of the cake. Moving on to the cake, using a torch to take the ring out easily. That's really satisfying. Covering the cake with this yummy chocolate ganache. Perfecting imperfections. Using these cute chocolate pearls, placing them on top. Assembling all of the cake decoratings. This looks really delicious. If you tried, bon appétit!